Cassie for the TPAIN concert this weekend, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Cute, cute, cute. That's the shower. Another mirror. Look. And y'all get into this huge mirror. I'm all settled into the hotel room. Have all my things in the bathroom. Right now I'm just taking a little minute before I hit the shower. Just resting a little bit, and then I'm gonna get my shower. I meet my friend at the venue at like 7-ish, so right now it's a little bit after 3. I have plenty of time to get a shower and start getting ready, so check back in with y'all in a little bit. All right, so shower is complete. I got my makeup laid out here, and I'm doing makeup first, and then I'm gonna move on to my hair, so don't mind my hair. Yes, that's where we are in the process. It's currently 4:36, so I'm gonna give myself like 45 minutes to an hour to do makeup, and then moving on to hair, which is not gonna take that long, and then we'll be getting dressed. The shower was good, and I'm all moisturized, and we are chugging right along. Okay, so hair and makeup is done. Y'all, I'm not a hairstylist, but I tried to put it back how my stylist had it. Did my best. And then I got these curls right here pinned because I don't want them to really like drop. But yeah, I wanted like really big loose curls, so I just let these hang at the bottom, and then I want these to stay. So yeah, this is what hair and makeup is giving. It is 6:07 now, so I'm about to put on like all my shimmer and stuff, start getting dressed. Okay, so hair is done, makeup is done, outfit is on. This is the look for tonight, guys. Okay, so we are home from the concert. 10 out of 10 experience. I would definitely go again. It was so much fun. It was so like exciting, upbeat. 20 years of TPAIN, and it was everything that I feel like it should have been. So if you have not been, you should definitely go. Y'all, it was so hot in there, but we had a really good time. Like, that was so much freaking fun. My makeup pretty much stayed put. I kind of ate my lip gloss off a little bit, but pretty good. It was super hot in there. My curls stayed pretty well. What else? Oh, I got so many compliments on my shoes. Like, literally as soon as I walked in the building, people were like, your shoes, your shoes, your shoes. So we did good with the shoe choice. Yeah, everybody was telling me that they love my shoes. So yeah, These shoes were a hit tonight. But yeah, this is the end of the night. I'm actually about to get a shower, wash this face, get this makeup off. Okay, so I just got me some pizza. Oh my God. I just got me some pizza and I'm so excited to sit down and eat this. I didn't even take my shower yet because I've been in here looking at pictures and stuff. But let's wash our hands because that's important. I haven't taken my makeup off yet because I have not taken my makeup off yet, to be honest, because I feel like I did so good. You know? I feel like I did so well on my makeup. But I will take my earrings out. This is gonna make me go ahead and get in the shower. When I take these earrings off, it's gonna be like, okay. But we're washing our hands so we can enjoy this pizza. I think I'm gonna turn the air off so I don't get too cold, but I'm so absolutely grateful to order me. Wait, I'm missing my drink. Going down to breakfast. Spread that. There's a lot of food there. And it's for dinner. And there's a lot of juice. It's kind of a lot of juice. So. Alright, so it's Saturday. It's about 10:30. Checkout is at 11. I have packed up all my things and I am actually ready to get on the road. So yeah, that concludes this concert trip. I had so much fun. If y'all have never just took a day trip, you know, spent the night in another city, go to a concert, or have something fun to do, you should definitely try it. I had so much fun, and yeah.